Okay, so today what we're going to do is we're going to set up the Plex server so that you can stream your local media through your server and watch it in your TV and your phone and anything, any device that's connected to your Wi-Fi network. Okay, there are 3 steps for doing this. The first step is setting up your shared folder in the FreeNAS where you put the media in. Step 2 is install Plex, and step 3 is set up Plex so that it's connected to your shared folder. Okay, for step 1, go to your FreeNAS. And then use the legacy web interface. Click sharing. Now here click Windows SMB. And then if you don't have already shared Windows SMB folder, then click Windows SMB share. Put the path. In this is mount, FreeNAS. I created the Plex media folder. You can select this and then click OK. I already have this, as you can see here. So if you click this and click edit, and then you can see this is the path. The name of this shared folder would be Plex media, and then okay, so we have to check that our shared folder is showing up in the PC or any remote devices connected to your Wi-Fi network. So go to My PC, click Computer, click Map Network Drive, select a drive letter for this shared folder. Now put the IP address 192.168.0.131, which is the IP address for me, then slash the name of the shared folder. Click connect using different credentials. Click finish, and then you will give a password and the root. If you do that, you'll get this Plex media here, where you can see you can create your folders, you can put your media files here, which will be played through your Plex media server. Okay, the step 1 is done. For step 2, we need to go to the main interface of your FreeNAS. Now go to plugins, go to available, and now you can see all the plugins here, and select the Plex media server. Click install. I already installed it, so I don't need to install it again. But after you install this, what you need to find is a Plex plugin is installed in your system. Okay, step 2 is done. It's pretty easy. For step 3, what we need to do is we need to connect our shared folder with the Plex so that the Plex can play the the media files that you put into your shared folder. So for that, you go to Jails. You find the Plex here. You click in the 3 dots, and then you click on the mount. So let me put it here. You click on mount points, and you see I already created the mount points, but for the first time you click the add mount points from actions. Okay, so as the Plex media is already running, so first we need to stop this. So go to installed, click on the stop button. Okay, now this thing is, the status is down. So now you can click on Jails. You click into mount points. Now you click Actions, Add Mount Points. Now here you can find your source. So you click on this, then double click, FreeNAS, Plex Media, which is your mounting point. Then for the destination, you can put it on the root, but I'll put it in the media. And then you see the media is the path for the destination, and then you click on Save, and then you'll get mount points like I already have here. If you click on Edit, and you can see this is the mounting point. So it's Plex Media. It's going to read in the media folders, and that's it. Now you connected your local shared folder with the Plex. Now you go to Plugins, Installed. Click on the three dots and click Start. Now it started, so now we'll go to click here, go to the management, and now you'll see the Plex Media is running here. If you'd say to get a new installed update, we'll just ignore it for now. Now, in the first time, you'll get a installation setup wizard where you will things are easier. So it will ask you where you find where it should look for the media files. But for us, we will go to Setup. We go to Libraries, and then you click Add Library. Click Movies, TV shows. For now, let's say Movies, and then click Next. You browse for the folder. Now you select media where you connected or mounted all your shared folder, and then you'll see all the things that are in your shared folder here inside this media. And then you click Add. After clicking Add, you'll get a library, and then if you scan for library files, it will scan for all the files into your system, and then if you go to the home, you'll find all the containers, all the files that you want to be viewed from the server. So for example, if you have Tom and Jerry, if you click on the play, and you can see things are playing. Okay, so that ends this tutorial. Next time I'll show you how to put your files into this shared folder in an easy way, because as of now, depending on your Wi-Fi router, sometimes you can directly copy things from your drive into your Plex Media, copy and paste it, but the things, it's gonna be like 10 megabytes per second. But if you have a large number of files, there is an easy way to do this. I'll show you the next time. Till the next time, thank you so much.